Hello, this is Eric of Not Bios Tech Reviews, and welcome to my testing of this Follow Focus AI gimbal. So a gimbal stabilizes your footage, but not only that. This particular one has a camera attached to it. No mobile phone needed, unlike my Mazda Aircross 2. And this costs less than $400 USD. The Hohem iSteady MT2 Kit. And with certain devices, you can control the record and whatnot and shutter. But I haven't found out how to do that with my FujiFilm XS20 yet because I can't cable connect it for control. At least not yet at this current time. And that's as listed on the actual manual. Now the manuals and the software is all listed in your user guide that comes with this particular camera gimbal. Ask your questions below and maybe I'll make a video on setting it up and balancing it for you. And it has an auto configuration mode. But anyways, let's get to it and check out how good this works. This is a test to see how good this is, and this is actually pretty darn good. The hard part is setting up the focus, which involves doing different things. Like so, if I want to stop, I do like that, and now it's not tracking. And if I want to track, I go like this. And if I want to frame myself, I go like this till it goes flashing. Then I'll reframe where I want to be in the scene and go like this. And now it should be set where I am in the frame. I can even turn away from the camera. Can it? Let's see, I think it can. Can you? It's pretty good actually. Give it the okay to follow me. And we can see it can follow in a 360 motion, not a problem. And can only go so fast though. If I run far enough, it's going to lose me. And the cool thing is it catched me back. It caught me back. So that is pretty cool. And if I go down, up. Yeah, so this is one really cool setup that way, but I do wonder about how close and how far this can track me. I'm pretty darn close. I'm about, this is a 33mm lens. So right now I'm about 2 feet away. So 2 feet away. Can it follow? Yes, it can. It's still following. I'll be darned. Okay. I'm going to count back how many feet it is once it does lose me. And it still has me. I'm surprised. I think it's not even rated for this distance. Has it lost me yet? No. Wow. That's not too shabby at all. But the hard part is actually seeing when it actually does lose me. Because I won't even know. Like, this is nuts. Frickin' hell. Has it lost me yet? I think it might be getting close to losing me. There's a dog barking at me. Okay. I think it finally lost me. And to make it catch me again, I guess I'll have to give it the okay. And the light will tell me if it's track or not. There we go. But yeah, so we can lose it. The problem is I can't see how far it is, at what point it loses me. Wow. I think it's somewhere around here. The recorded distance away was 30 feet or 9 meters distance away from the camera. Oh, and you might be wondering, well, right now you're not centered. Or if I wasn't centered, I'd just do my usual. And then I get where I want to be in the camera, frame myself, and verify. So, yeah, does this work? It's not losing me, unless I get way out of the scene. Whoa. Ha, you lost me. So cool. That's way too cool. And if I want to get more blur for the background, let's give this the full shutter treatment for our full background blur. So the distance away this can track, I'd basically need binoculars to know at what point it loses me, because I can't even see the camera move from this distance away. It's just too far away. Did it lose me? Well, I'll be darned. It's still tracking. I'm out of the frame kind of, like where my head is. So if I want to, let's reset this. There we go. See, now it's leveled with my head. So I can download it for Android or iPhone. So here we can see the app. There might be a bit of flashing because the shutter speed is like quite fast. Through the app, I can see which mode we're in. I can even flip this other way, like so, and flip it back to me. And right now we'll notice that the tilt is kind of off. So let's see if I get this straightened out. So I can do a few adjustments with this app. This app for me is very annoying to use, but I can adjust the tilt. At least I should be able to. There we go. So I can adjust my tilt, see? And just tilting one way or another, do all the way across. So if my tilt is off, I can at least take advantage of that. Still have the follow focus on. Okay, my battery's about to die, but either way, that's a test and it seems to be working fine and dandy. If you're looking to purchase this gimbal, links will be in the description below, so check that out. And of course, if you want to know more, ask the questions below in comments. Also look for pinned comments because I might have the answer in my pinned comments on this video or in the video description. If you happen to get it and you want to know something, ask the question and I'll try to do my best to answer it. This is Eric of Not BIOS Tech and Reviews. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.